Welcome sa Dris TV. Kung interesado ka sa ganitong news, huwag kalimutang isubscribe ang ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat! Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel mga kakimpaw, and sa update natin ito, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang gumulantang sa mundo ng social media ngayong hapon tungkol kay Kim Chiu. Matagal ng issue mga kakimpaw itong mga naririnig natin tungkol dito sa kapatid ni Chinita Princess na sila Kambini. Ilang buwan din pong nanahimik si Chinita Princess tungkol sa isyong ito at never po siyang nagbigay ng detalye sa pinagdadaanan po nilang magkapatid. At ngayong hapon nga po mga kakimpaw, araw po ng Martes, December 2, 2025, hindi na po napigilan ni Kim Chiu ang kanyang sarili at naghain na po siya ng reklamo laban dito kay Lakam. Bago po pumasok ng It's Showtime si Chinita Princess, dumaan po muna siya dito sa Quezon City para mag-file ng kaso. Ayon nga po sa report ni MJ Felipe, Kim Chiu has formally filed a qualified debt complaint against her sister Lakambini Chiu after discovering serious financial discrepancies in their business venture. So yun pala yon mga kakimpaw, no? Joint venture sila sa isang business, tapos napansin na lamang daw ni Chinita Princess na parang kulang yung pera. Ayon pa dito, in her official statement, Kim said that she took the legal step after substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. According to her legal counsel, there were several attempts and meetings to solve the problem internally. So sinubukan naman pala ni Chinita Princess na ayusin para nga naman hindi po umabot sa ganito kalala yung sitwasyon. Alam natin na ginawa po ni Chinita Princess yung makakaya niya para magkaayos po silang magkapatid nila Kambini dahil kahit papaano magkadugo pa rin sila, magkapatid pa rin sila, pero hindi na siguro na-resolve or ayaw din siguro makipag-ugnayan nila Kambini kaya umabot po sa pagkakaso ni Kim Chiu. So narito po yung kumpletong detail. TV host actress Kim Chiu has filed a complaint against her sister Lakambini Chiu after discovering financial discrepancies in their business. Kim, together with her legal counsel, Silene Dolor and Archernar Gregana, filed a complaint and submitted her sworn statement together with all the documents and evidence before the office of the Assistant City Prosecutor in Quezon City. Today, nag-file si Kim ng criminal case against Lakambini Chiu. Dolor said, "We filed a criminal complaint for qualified debt. That's all we can share for now." So, yun lang daw yung maibabahagi po nila sa ngayon. The financial discrepancies were discovered from their business, which Kim's legal counsel opted not to mention right now. I am not authorized to name the business, but I think fans would know kung ano po yung business venture na she shared with Miss Lakambini Chiu. So ano kaya yon? House of Little Bunny kaya yon mga kakimpaw? Sabi dito, rumor about this rift between the Chiu siblings have surfaced months back, and fans have been mentioning that the business venture is Kim's bag business. Dollar said the qualified debt complaint filed covered the current fiscal year. We are looking at 2025, but that's all we can share for now. When asked about Lakambini's role in the business, generally I can say that she, Lakambini Chiu, is part of the management of the business. Apart from the legal counsel, Kim was also accompanied by her sister Twinkle and her brother-in-law. Dolores said there have been plenty of attempts to settle the problem internally. So ayan po, pinipilit pong maayos, no, para hindi na po umabot sa ganito. Pero syempre, baka ayaw pong makipag-cooperate nila Kambini. Kaya eto na mga kakimpaw, no, sumambulat na sa galit si Chinita Princess at nararapat lamang niyang gawin ito. Sabi pa dito, she reached out and the lawyer reached out also. But yun nga po, it has also been a statement of Miss Kim na it has been a very difficult decision for her to do this and to proceed with this step. Yes, alam ko naman yun mga kakimpaw na bilang kapatid, ito talaga yung desisyon na napakahirap gawin. Siyempre, kadugo mo yan, 'di ba? Pero ito talaga yung tama eh. Sabi pa dito, as far as I know, I have been in one or two meeting, but I know there have been several times na they reach out to each other, Dolor added. In a statement released Monday, the actress host said the decision was made in the interest of transparency, accountability, and protecting her company. After careful consideration and month of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified debt against my sister Lakambini Chu in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. Yan po yung sinabi ni Chinita Princess. Mahirap daw po talaga sa kanya itong desisyon na to na magsampa ng kaso o ng reklamo laban sa kanyang kapatid. She added that there were substantial amounts connected to my business asset that were found missing. This legal step was taken to protect not just my company, but also the livelihood of the people who work with me. Kim is asking for privacy in this difficult time in her family. Off camera, Kim managed only 2 words when ABS-CBN News asked how she was copying. Sobrang bigat daw. Yan yung sinabi ni Chinita Princess. Below is the full statement of Kim. I am issuing the statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth and for the people who have supported me throughout my career and my business journey. So yan po yung statement ni Chinita Princess. Mahirap po talaga pag-usapang magkapatid na kasi, 'di ba? Kahit pa paano may pinagsamahan kayo, may magkadugo kayo, pamilya kayo. Pero ilang beses po kasi na nag-attempts yung panig ni Chinita Princess pero siguro wala pong nangyari. Sabi pa dito, after careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified debt against my sister, Lakambini Chu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. This discovery forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. This is a private family matter that has now become a legal process. I am choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability, not only for myself but also for the brand and community that has supported me from the beginning. I ask for understanding respect as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarity, and fairness will prevail. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed. So yan po yung paliwanag ni Chinita Princess. Mahirap to na desisyon sa kanya kasi syempre kapatid niya po. Huwag ka mag-alala, Chinita Princess, kasama mo kaming mga fans sa laban na ito. So paano mga kakimpaw, ano ang masasabi ninyo dito? Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.